The UTV mecca of the East Coast is Royal Blue in Pioneer, Tennessee, and DTF Powersports is at the forefront of the movement. Located right beside Royal Blue campgrounds, we have DTF Powersports, the DTF Market, and DTF Royal Blue Guided Tours. We're super ATV dealers and offer anything UTV service related, including warranty work. We have custom fabricated tree kickers, bumpers, cup holders, and much more. Swing by the DTF Market to grab some grub and all that crap you forgot to bring. We have Royal Blue tablet rentals with integrated destinations to help you navigate the trails. 93 octane premium fuel without that garbage ethanol. The DTF UTV car wash. And how could we forget to mention our ice cream shop? And by the way, our ice cream machine is never broken. Are you stuck out on the trails with no hope? The DTF Rescue Squad will come and save you, pull you out, and fix the doggone thing. If you don't own a UTV, we can rent you one and take your crew on our famous Royal Blue Guided Tours. We are located at 6366 Stinking Creek Road in Pioneer, Tennessee. But it doesn't really stink at all. Call us at 423-784-1543 to place an order for food, parts, service, or guided tours. We are DTF.